Adding chatbot to your website is a pretty cool option. How can you do it? You go to the chatbot.com. Here you can log in with your account. Now go to the dashboard. Here click on your website. Now it's time to enter your website's URL. After that, click on continue button. After that, you can click on general, blog, and different kind of option. Don't forget to enable the AI option. After clicking on that, you can see a chatbot option. Here click on the continue button. After that, you can test your chatbot. Here you can type different kind of things to test if it's working. Now it's time to add the chatbot in a widget. Now you can add chatbot like a chatbot. You can click on connect button to integrate a chatbot. After that, it's the widget is ready. Now you can add your chatbot with different customization. You can change your theme, color, dark mode, white mode. It's totally up to you. You can add greetings to the visitor. So this was how you can create chatbot for your website and integrate it successfully. You can copy the code, and that's it, and I'll see you in the next one.